Hi, good morning students. In this video, there are 85 bits with answers from reproduction 6th chapter of 10th biology, part 2. It helps you easy and quick revision. Answers are with suitable diagrams for easy understanding and long memory. Name the male and female gametes in animals or human beings. Male gametes sperm cells, female gametes ova. Fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. If fusion of gametes occur outside of the female body, then it is called external fertilization. If fusion of gametes occur inside of the female body, then it is called internal fertilization. External fertilization is seen in aquatic animals like fishes and amphibians. Testes are located outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch is called scrotum or scrotal sac. Which is the male sex hormone or the hormone that's secreted by testes is testosterone. Sperm cells are produced in seminiferous tubules present in testes. Sperms are produced in seminiferous tubules by or which cell division includes in spermatogenesis? Meiosis. How much temperature is necessary for sperm formation? 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade, lower than the body temperature. The seminiferous tubules are open into vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia carries sperms into epididymis. Name the highly coiled tube located along the posterior side of the testis, or where the sperm cells temporarily store. Epididymis. Which tubes raised from the epididymis? Vasa differentia or sperm ducts. A pair of seminal vesicles open into vasa differentia. Which gland's secretions helps in neutralizing the acidity and lubricating urethra? Cowper's glands. In male, urethra transports not only urine but also sperms. Hence it is called as urinogenital duct. The fluids secreted from seminal vesicles, prostate gland and Cowper's glands, collectively called seminal plasma. Seminal plasma along with sperm cells is called semen. Which part of the sperm cell helps in penetrating into ovum? Acrosome. In which part of the sperm cell mitochondria are present? Middle piece. Which part of the sperm cell produce energy for the movement of the sperm? Mitochondria, present in middle piece. Which part of the sperm cell helps in the movement of the sperm? Tail. The sending out of the semen from male's body is called ejaculation. Men produce sperm from the age of about 13 to 14 years. What is the location of ovaries? Abdominal cavity. Graafian follicles are present in ovary. Releasing of ovum from Graafian follicle is called ovulation. Which ducts receive ovum from ovary? Fallopian tubes or oviducts. Oviducts are open into a muscular sac-like structure called uterus. Where does fertilization takes place? Fallopian tube. After fertilization, ovum transforms into zygote. The inner layers of uterus is called endometrium. The fertilized ovum undergoes mitotic cell divisions. What are the embryonic layers? Amnion, chorion, allantois and yolk sac. Which embryonic membrane grows around embryo itself? Amnion. The space between embryo and amnion is filled with amniotic fluid. The tissues of the chorion and the adjacent part of the uterine tissue make up the placenta. Placenta is formed at around 12 weeks of pregnancy. Which structure contains the important blood vessels that connect the embryo with the placenta? Umbilical cord. The number of ovaries once in females is only one. Embryo from the third month of pregnancy is called fetus. Gestation period in human beings is 9 months or 280 days. During the end of pregnancy, a watery yellowish lymph-like fluid accumulates in the mammary glands is called colostrum. Colostrum is important feed to newborn baby. It helps in developing the immune system of the child. Doctors separate the baby from mother by detaching umbilical cord. Meaning of the phrase omnicellular decellulae is all cells exist from pre-existing cells. Name the scientist who proposed omnicellular decellulae. Virchow. The cell division that takes place in all body cells which retain same number of chromosomes is called mitosis. The cell division that takes place in sex cells where the chromosome number is halved is called meiosis. Cells in some organs never divide. What are they? Heart and brain. Which cells actively divide to produce red blood cells? Cells present in bone marrow. Which cell division helps in healing of wounds and growth of the body? Mitotic cell division. Which cell division occurs in formation of gametes? Meiotic cell division. What are the phases in cell cycle? G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase and M phase. The period between two cell divisions is called interphase. In which phase of the cell cycle the cell size increases? G1 phase. Which phase of the cell cycle is the period of DNA synthesis? S phase, synthesis phase. In which phase of the cell cycle cell organelles divide and prepare chromosomes for mitosis? G2 phase. Which phase of the cell cycle is the mitotic cell division phase? M phase. What are the different phases in M phase? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is the division of nucleus. Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. In which phase of the cell division chromosomes contract and nuclear membrane disappear? Prophase. In which phase of the cell division chromosomes are arranged in spindle equator? Metaphase. In which phase of the cell division chromosomes split and move towards pearls? Anaphase. Which phase of the cell division nuclear membrane form around daughter nuclei? Telophase. HIV stands for HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. AIDS stands for AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. ASHA stands for ASHA, accredited social health activist. STD stands for STD, sexually transmitted diseases. ART stands for antiretroviral therapy. The government established ART to supply medicines to HIV patients. Give examples for sexually transmitted diseases. Gonorrhea, syphilis, and AIDS. Which method of contraception provides protection against sexually transmitted diseases? Using condoms for men and diaphragm for women. Name the physical devices that prevent fertilization. Condoms, diaphragms, and copper T. The prevention of pregnancy in women by preventing fertilization is called contraception. Any device or chemical which prevents pregnancy is called contraceptive. What are the permanent birth control methods? Vasectomy in males, tubectomy in females. In which birth control method, a small portion of vas deferens is removed by surgical operation and the cut ends are tied? Vasectomy. In which birth control method, a small portion of fallopian tubes are removed by surgical operation and the cut ends are tied? Tubectomy. AIDS Day is on December 1st. What is the meaning of mitos? Fine threads. Mitotic cell division was confirmed by Walther Fleming, German scientist. In 1879, he discovered mitotic cell division. The scheme of meiotic division was confirmed in 1904 by Theodore Boveri. In 1904, he discovered meiotic cell division. Okay, children, study well, grow well, be a good citizen, and proud to be an Indian. Thank you.